Welcome to a new page in my mini envelope art journal. Today I'm stamping the main image on tissue paper. The video today is sponsored by Rubber Dance and I'm using the Mama Old stamp set. The background has already some leftover paints on it and I start by applying some gesso. I didn't recognize that I'm working upside down in my journal at the moment, but that doesn't matter because I just create texture to my background and that will not affect the result in the end. I make some marks with a pastel pencil. I'm working with my homemade jelly printed stickers. I'll link you a video in the info box on the top, so you can have a look how I made these kind of stickers. I apply some more gesso with a palette knife. I stamp the O onto some tissue paper and cut it out. I use acrylic inks to create some splatters onto my background. I'm using the stamps that come with the set to create some interest on my background. I'm using gel medium to glue the owl down. I'm using Inktense pencils to color the owl. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!